Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about UDP. Here UDP means User Datacom Protocol. It is an connectionless protocol and it is very fast, but it no guarantees if the data packet is received or not. Now we are going to learn Wireshark how it will work. Here Wireshark is an open source. You can use and see how the packets are going and coming. Now let's go. Wireshark. Select this one Wi-Fi. Now capture the packets. You may see one packet is catching going on until up to 100. After this, stop it. I think you already have captured these packets. Now we are going to solve the questions in our Zimcaros lab manual. Here you may see the first question. Select one UDP packet from your trace. From this packet, determine how many fields they are in the UDP header. And you should not look in the textbook. Answer these questions directly from what you observe in the packet trace. Name these fields. Careful. You don't need to look out the answer directly after you have done packet capturing. Just filter here UDP. Then UDP packets are already filtered. If you have doubt, here see internet protocol version. In no internet protocol version below having user datagram protocol. Here you may see source is my device from 64925 port. According to the first question, first select one UDP packet from your test. Yes, I have selected one packet, that is 38th one serial number. Here after selecting, you may see the source port, destination length and checksum. These are called headers of the UDP packet. And next, by consulting the displayed information in Wireshark packet content field for this packet, determine the length in bytes of each of the UDP header field. I already told these are the header. Then you need to know what is the length of this header length. It's 2 bytes. You may see here down. Each header length has 2 bytes. And third question, the value in the length field is the length of what? It's absolutely 1 byte. And what is the maximum number of bytes that can get included in a UDP payload? Here for our packet, it is taken 41 bytes, but maximum its capacity is 65,385. And what is the largest source port number? It is approximately 2 to the power 31 you may take. And what is the protocol number for UDP? Here it's just simple. You may go to the internet protocol version, and here you need to check protocol. Here see protocol UDP 17, and its hex code is level. Examine a pair of UDP packets in which your host sends the first UDP packets and the second UDP packet is replied to the first UDP packet. Then the sender of the first packet should to the destination of the second packet. Describe the relation between them. Here, this is a simple question. This is the sender. This is the receiver. Just here, when you click on this becomes destination. This is source. This is destination. Here you may see in the user datagram protocol. When I click this one, Source is 6,064,925. When I click below receiver, then it becomes source port 53. So it is the first packet. Um, First, this is the first sending. This is the receiving packet. What from handshake rule we got.